Bitch, I ain't waiting. I'm figured it, fucked up. Boy, you got me fucked up.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Jot. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go in the bio and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be uploading many new videos in the coming section. Now let's go. In this video, I am going to do a brief description between iOS 12.0 and iOS 11.4, that how the apps run on both the software, because yesterday Apple launched on WWDC 2018 the new software iOS 12 developer beta 1. So this phone is running on iOS 12.0 developer beta 1 and this phone is running on iOS 11.4. So I will be telling you the build number of the iOS 12.0. So the build number of iOS 12.0 is 12.0 16A F5288Q, and the developer build number of the iOS 11.4 is 11.4 15F79. So as you can see in this video. So, as for your convenience, I will be opening the stopwatch on both the devices and checking that which devices open the apps first. Now, I will be putting this iOS 11.4 aside and we will be continuing with iOS 12.0. No, let's go. I will be opening the smartwatch. Here is already learning. Now, I will be playing it. Now, 1, 2, 3, start. Now, first I have Nike. So it took 55 seconds and 74 milliseconds for iOS 12.040 developer beta to open all apps. Now we'll be going toward iOS 11.4. That how much time it takes to open all the apps. Now let's go. Here we go, and I'm starting the smartwatch right now. Now I will be stopping the smartwatch. Now you can see the time between iOS 12 and iOS 11.4. The time difference is the iOS 12 is lagging than iOS 11.4 by 2 seconds, but if you ignore up like 50 to 20 milliseconds, because I just lagged while opening one of the app. But even though you can see the comparison between iOS 12 and iOS 11.4, the iOS 11.4 is faster than iOS 12. I also can't believe it, but this is a fact. Now I will be doing the ROM management of this both phones. I also am not believing this because iOS 12 was fast, but even though you can see, because this is developer beta 1, so there may be some bugs or the crashes which Apple has to fix because it's not launched officially by Apple. Now I will be doing the RAM test. Here you go, 1 2 3, and you can see for yourself which is running and which is having more RAM. So you can see that the RAM management of iOS 12 is better. It's 21574, but the RAM yes, and now the RAM management of iOS 11.4 is 1974. So in this video you can just be your own judge that iOS 11 is still better than iOS 12. But if you ask me, the reason would be that because the iOS 12 is in its initial, or we can say is in developing phase, but iOS 11.4 is in develop phase of the software. So if you ask me, please don't download iOS 12 and just be sticking to